Hi, I'm Marcela and I'm part of the WAD Designs team. I know it may be challenging to take the first step when you're thinking about transforming your home. And you may be wondering, what will happen once I fill out this form? Let me explain it to you. By filling out the form, you will be one step closer to making your dream kitchen. Within 24 hours, we will contact you to learn about your vision and understand exactly what do you want. In that first call, we will discuss your style, the challenges you're facing, and how we can turn your ideas into a fully functional space. One of our designers will walk you through our production process, step by step, and the support we provide to you during the design phase, all the way to the final details of installation. So don't wait any longer. The kitchen of your dreams is closer than you think. Fill out the form now, and let's transform your home together.